Top passive income ideas for 2023 that will definitely make you good money. Idea number 1, renting out things. You should definitely look into renting out things that you own, but don't need them quite often. It can be your cycle, it can be your camera, or it can be even tools that you have but you are not using them, or it can be even your car. Anything you believe that people need but you don't want it, at least for now, you can rent it out. For example, whenever I go for a vacation, I usually rent out a car using an app called Turo. Now, a lot of people who don't really need car, especially on weekend, use this app to rent their car out. So if you have a car and you don't need it on weekends, you can simply rent it out through this app and make some passive income. Similarly, whenever I need some tools that are very expensive and I don't really want to buy them, I simply go to Facebook Marketplace to get them for a day or two. So you can exactly do that. What you can do if you have some tools and you want to sell them, just list them on Facebook Marketplace. You can rent them out. However, do make sure to understand and decide terms of conditions with rentee before renting anything out. Idea number 2, using AI to generate income. Now, this is explosive idea for 2023. Especially if you are a content writer. This profession can really help you out, but at the same time, it is quite exhaustive because you have to do some research, think a lot, and then write. So as you can understand, this job can become quite exhausting. But with AI, with tools like ChatGPT, you can just type and ask questions from it and it will give you all the information that you need to become a content writer. So content writing job in 2023 is definitely a passive income stream. What you need to do is you need to smartly utilize this platform. Simply ask question to get your answer and utilize that data to create content creative and appealing to your audience. Idea number 3, design and sell merchandise. Now, if you think you are good at art or graphic designing, then this idea is definitely for you. There are a number of websites where you can go and design t-shirts, for instance. Whenever any person likes your design and buys that t-shirt, it will automatically be shipped to that customer by that platform. You only get money just because you created that design. You can find multiple websites working on this business model. The only thing you need to generate passive income from this idea is to execute this idea. Idea number 4, reverse passive income. Now, in this idea, you don't actively generate an income but closely observe your spendings and try to reduce it. For example, if you have loan, you can save on loan refinancing. Let's say if you have taken some loan from the bank at a certain interest, let's say 5%. You are getting a better deal with other bank at 4% without paying any additional cost of closure, then you will move there. So you will end up saving 1% that might make a lot of difference. Similarly, if you are having a credit card payment that is due but you are not able to pay it and bank is asking you to convert it into installments and then wants you to pay 35 to 40% interest on that. So what you will do here is to try save some money as soon as possible to pay it off and save money for not paying interest. There also can be an instance where you have taken some subscription and then there is some new offer help you save more money over a long period of a time and you opt out from that offer to save money. So this means you are not generating any income actively, but you are carefully watching your expenses and are trying to save money through it. I must say, this is always the smartest way of saving and thinking of your expenses. This gets us to idea number 5, create a course. Now, you can easily create a course. It does not at all matter how young you are or how knowledgeable you are on a particular topic. The main theme behind creating a course is how good you are at doing some research and compiling different ideas to convey a message in easiest way possible to your audience. Topics may include stock trading, how to make videos on YouTube, how to write content, how to publish a book, or any topic that interests you and you would love to teach it to others. Simply sit with yourself and ask yourself what you like, what you can teach others better, and then create a course out of it. Once you create the course, that will go lifelong. So this means you are earning even if you are sleeping and doing nothing extra physically. Idea number 6 is build an app. If you know coding, let's say even if you don't know coding, but you know someone who can help you to code and make an app, then try to co-develop that app with him. The only thing that matters in this idea is that how your app can actually solve people problems. And once it does that, it will start spreading like fire and you will make income from it. A lot of people have done it in the past and people are still doing it. So you can also make money by selling those apps on different platforms, and you can earn money through one-time subscription or advertisements. So I'll say just try to do it. Idea number 7, publish ebooks. Now, if you cannot create a course, or you don't want to record a video, or if you don't have that much content required to make a course, then you might want to look into publishing an ebook. That is also quite trendy. There are so many examples of people who have created good quality ebooks and they sell it just for $5 to $10. Now, the cost does not really matter here. What matters is the quantity of ebooks sold. As cost is less, you can expect thousands of people to buy it, which will make you more money. You will earn this passive income even if you are eating, sleeping, or running. So if you know someone who can help you to make this, you should definitely generate income through this passive income stream. This brings us to idea number 8, photography. If you are a photographer or simply like taking pictures, then this passive income stream is for you. You can sell your high quality photographs on a number of stock images sites. There are multiple sites who need high quality photographs, but they need photographs that are very specific. For example, Canadian family specific photographs are very difficult to find. If you go on Google search and find Canadian cooking dinner, you will see there are no good quality images that you can use elsewhere. So there is a lot of need of a Canadian specific photographs, and if you love clicking, then please make money through this passive income idea. List photographs on a stock images sites, and whenever your picture will get sold, you will make money out of it. Idea number 9 is affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of YouTubers use this idea to generate money. Affiliate marketing is something when you tie up yourself with some brand and you promote their services or brands through links. If people buy that product or service through that link, you get a certain percentage of a sold product. A lot of people do affiliate marketing for Amazon. Just you have to do is make an affiliate account that is also for free and get a link that can be used by others to purchase products from Amazon, and you will make commission on those sales. Idea number 10, the last idea that I have for you, is to create a newsletter. If you are someone who loves writing, then you can create a newsletter on a topic that you really love to write on. If you get enough audience who are receiving it and have subscribed to it, then you can use this platform to monetize the audience through brand collaboration, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, and a lot more. Until you have email addresses and attention of your audience who is receiving these newsletters, you can generate passive income. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm sure if you like this video, you would also like video that I made on habits that would make you a millionaire. I'll link that video for you.